Hey Freedom Grills, today we're going to go over the Smith Wesson 5.7. This gun's actually my favorite of the 2023 new pistols, and I'm really excited to show you what all of the Holosuns look like on this and their ability to co-witness. And for those of you who don't know what co-witnessing means, all I'm talking about is how much of the front iron sight are you able to see when an optic is installed. That way, in case of any optic failures, you're still able to use the iron sights to aim. And one thing to note, before you install any of these, you will need 6 30-second screws. We do sell them at freedomgorilla.com. You'll need it for the 407K or 507K. It does come with the EPS Carry and SCS Carry. Full-size EPS showing overhang. So there you have it. There's everything that fits the Smith & Wesson 5.7. Everything on today's video can be found at freedomgorilla.com. And as always, thanks for watching.